Hi, I'm Kevin with Calca Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, located here in Irvine, California, serving all of Orange County. We're here in my classroom today, and we're going to be talking about garbage disposals and what happens when you hear a humming noise coming from your garbage disposal. Well, that's an indication that that garbage disposal is seized up. There's a couple things that could cause that. There could be a foreign object in there that jammed the grinding plates, and you can carefully inspect that with a flashlight and see if you see any foreign objects in there. Also look for rust on those plates to see if they're really rusted out. Some plates are made with stainless steel on the better disposals, and some are not. So if you see a bunch of rust, it might be time to replace that garbage disposal. But there is another solution. Underneath the disposal, there's a little hole in the center. And if you have a Allen wrench, typically a 1/4 inch Allen wrench, you can stick that in there and rotate it clockwise and counterclockwise. Try to get it unstuck. Just start to move it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And that might unjam whatever is jamming that particular grinding plates in there as well. One thing I want to mention is that oftentimes there's also a reset switch. Sometimes you'll hear it hum and then stop humming. Well, there's a reset switch on the bottom of the garbage disposal. And when you hit that reset button, that resets the motor. It's a protective device to keep that motor from burning out, because if it's constantly humming, it will burn out. So you want to hit that reset button after you've got those blades moving again, and that should take care of it. However, if it continues to do that, it's probably going to be time to replace that disposal, or you may need somebody out there to remove that foreign object from if it's jammed in there. Sometimes I find pennies, paper clips, all kinds of things that somehow sneak their way in there, and we can get those out typically, and if not, we'd be happy to put in a new one for you. So our number's up here on the screen. Again, I'm Kevin Calca with Calca Plumbing, Heating and Air.